You probably can't see from the video, but there is a fire in this smokeless pit. It's really bright outside, so you can't see it. I didn't have any intention of lighting a fire this morning, but I had so much fun with this last night, I thought I'd give it another go. I really like this smokeless fire pit. Now, no fire pit is smokeless, but you could definitely say this has less smoke. What this does a really good job at is, because it is so small, it's so compact, it keeps everything together, it keeps all the wood together, so it burns really hot, it burns really well. One disadvantage from this design is if the fire does go out and you need to stoke the fire, you don't have air vents on the side, so if it's windy, it's not going to stoke the fire. If you want to manually stoke the fire by blowing into it, you're basically going top down. You can't really go from the side or at an angle very well. But realistically, once you get the fire going on this, it just keeps going. It burns really hot, has way less smoke than bigger fireplaces. I have really enjoyed this. I put it out last night with water. I was kind of afraid that I would warp the metal. It did not. That seemed to hold up fine, at least in my experience so far. You can put it out with water, which is probably the safest way to do it. But overall, I'm really impressed. This was rather inexpensive. It's small enough that it's easy to move around. You could have this easily on your porch and you wouldn't have to worry about it. It's not messy. You're not going to get ashes everywhere. It burns nice and hot. Perfect for just gathering around, getting up close, warming up. I really like this thing.